Baking soda water carries unexpected health risks. Doctor explains when alkaline drinks become dangerous. Last month, my friend mentioned drinking baking soda water daily for better digestion. Her casual comment made me research this popular home remedy that millions try without understanding potential consequences. What I discovered about sodium bicarbonate consumption shocked me. This common household ingredient can create serious health problems when used incorrectly as a beverage. My research revealed both potential benefits and significant dangers that most people never consider. Understanding these facts helps you make informed decisions about alkaline water alternatives. Baking soda water temporarily reduces stomach acid levels by neutralizing gastric juice. While this might provide short-term heartburn relief, it disrupts your body's natural digestive processes. Here's what happens inside your body when you drink sodium bicarbonate solution. Your stomach acid levels drop dramatically, affecting protein digestion and nutrient absorption. Stomach acid serves essential functions beyond causing occasional discomfort. It activates digestive enzymes, kills harmful bacteria, and helps absorb vitamin 12, iron, and calcium effectively. Regular baking soda consumption can lead to a condition called metabolic alkalosis. This dangerous imbalance occurs when your blood becomes too alkaline, affecting multiple organ systems. Symptoms of metabolic alkalosis include muscle weakness, confusion, nausea, and irregular heartbeat. Severe cases can cause seizures or respiratory depression, requiring emergency medical treatment. People with high blood pressure face particular risks from baking soda water consumption. Each teaspoon contains about 1,200 milligrams of sodium, equivalent to half the daily recommended limit. Excessive sodium intake raises blood pressure and strains cardiovascular systems already working harder than normal. This effect compounds existing hypertension problems significantly. Kidney patients should never consume baking soda water without medical supervision. Their organs may struggle to process excess sodium and maintain proper electrolyte balance. Chronic kidney disease affects the body's ability to regulate acid-base balance naturally. Adding sodium bicarbonate can overwhelm compromised kidney function dangerously. Timing matters critically if you choose to use baking soda water occasionally for heartburn relief. Consuming it with meals interferes with normal digestion processes. Take baking soda water only between meals, at least 2 hours after eating. This timing reduces interference with stomach acid needed for proper food breakdown. The concentration affects safety levels significantly when preparing sodium bicarbonate solutions. Many people use too much powder, creating dangerously alkaline mixtures. Use only half a teaspoon of baking soda in 8 ounces of water maximum. Higher concentrations increase risks of alkalosis and electrolyte imbalances substantially. Frequency of consumption determines whether occasional use becomes a health hazard over time. Daily baking soda water consumption creates cumulative risks most people don't anticipate. Limit use to no more than twice weekly for occasional heartburn relief. Regular consumption disrupts your body's natural acid-base regulation mechanisms. Certain medications interact dangerously with sodium bicarbonate, affecting their absorption and effectiveness. Blood pressure medications, antibiotics, and antifungals show particular interaction risks. Aspirin absorption decreases significantly when taken with alkaline solutions. This interaction can reduce medication effectiveness when you need pain relief most. Age affects how your body processes sodium bicarbonate and maintains electrolyte balance. Elderly individuals face higher risks from alkaline water consumption. Older adults often take multiple medications and have reduced kidney function. These factors increase vulnerability to sodium bicarbonate's adverse effects significantly. Pregnant women should avoid baking soda water due to potential effects on maternal blood chemistry. Electrolyte imbalances can affect both mother and developing baby. Children's smaller body weights make them more susceptible to sodium bicarbonate toxicity. Never give baking soda water to children without pediatric medical approval. Better alternatives exist for managing occasional heartburn without sodium bicarbonate risks. Dietary changes often provide more sustainable relief than alkaline water. Eating smaller meals, avoiding trigger foods, and maintaining healthy weight reduce heartburn frequency naturally. These approaches address root causes rather than symptoms. Elevating your head while sleeping helps prevent acid reflux during nighttime hours. This simple position change reduces overnight symptoms effectively.